Want to invest but don't know where to start? Stocks, bonds, too risky, too confusing? Well, what if you could invest without picking individual stocks? That's where mutual funds come in. In this short video, we'll break down what mutual funds are, how they work, and whether they're right for you. A mutual fund is like a basket that holds many investments, stocks, bonds, or both. Instead of buying one stock, you buy a piece of this basket and your money is pooled with other investors' money. A professional manager then decides what to buy or sell inside the fund. When you invest in a mutual fund, you buy shares of the fund. These shares represent your portion of the investments inside. The fund's value changes daily based on the performance of its holdings. You can make money in three ways. 1. Capital gains, when the fund sells assets at a profit. 2. Dividends. Some funds pay out earnings from stocks. 3. Price growth. If the fund's value increases, so does your investment. Not all mutual funds are the same. Here are the main types. Stock, equity. Funds. Invest in company stocks, offering high growth potential, but also higher risk. Bond, fixed income. Funds. Invest in bonds, providing stable income with lower risk. Index funds. Track a market index like the S&P 500, offering low fees and broad diversification. Balanced funds. A mix of stocks and bonds for moderate risk and return. Money market funds. Invest in short-term, low-risk securities for safety and liquidity. Should you invest in mutual funds? Here's the good and the bad. Pros. Diversification reduces risk managed by professionals. Great for beginners. Cons. Management fees can eat into profits. No control over specific investments. Some funds underperform the market. Getting started is easy. You can invest in mutual funds through your 401k or IRAA brokerage account like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. Just choose a fund that fits your risk level and financial goals. Mutual funds can be a smart way to grow your wealth. Want to learn more about investing? Check out our next video on ETFs versus mutual funds. Hit subscribe and start investing smarter today.